the ocean vast, mysterious, and filled with life beyond our imagination. But among its many wonders, one creature stands out as a symbol of intelligence, grace, and playful spirit. Today, we journey into the world of dolphins, the brilliant navigators of the blue frontier. The first light of morning spills across the open sea, and a pod of bottlenose dolphins awakens. Their sleek, silver bodies slice effortlessly through the waves. These remarkable mammals are the descendants of landwalkers, creatures that roamed Earth 15 million years ago. But over time, they surrendered legs for fins, fur for smooth hydrodynamics, and lungs that can withstand the crushing pressure of the deep. Each breath is a reminder: dolphins are not fish. They must surface, inhale, and dive once more, weaving life between two worlds. Beneath the water, a chorus erupts. Clicks. Whistles. Chirps. Pulses. Dolphins speak in a language so complex, scientists are still struggling to decode it. They use echolocation, sending sound waves into the water and listening for the returning echoes, almost like seeing with sound. This mental map reveals everything: the distance of a fish, the density of an object, even the heartbeat of another animal. But beyond hunting, their sounds tell stories. A signature whistle might announce identity. A rapid burst pulse can warn of danger. And soft whistles? They're often the dolphin's version of laughter. As the sun climbs higher, the pod grows hungry. That's when the true genius of dolphins shines. In shallow waters, a member of the pod slaps its tail, a signal. Instantly, the group forms a ring around unsuspecting fish. One dolphin swims in tight circles, stirring sand into a swirling net. Trapped and disoriented, fish leap into the air, straight into the waiting jaws of the pod. This technique, known as mud ring feeding, is passed from generation to generation. It's not instinct, it's culture. In the deep ocean, their tactics change. Dolphins dive beneath schools of fish, blowing shimmering curtains of bubbles upward. Trapped between bubble walls and dolphin mouths, the prey stands no chance. These mammals don't merely survive. They innovate. But hunting is just one part of their richly social world. Dolphins live in pods where cooperation, bonding, and play are just as essential as food. They babysit one another's young. They greet friends with synchronized swimming. They nudge injured podmates toward the surface to breathe. And yes, dolphins play. They surf waves, toss seaweed, and race each other through kelp forests. Play strengthens bonds. It teaches young dolphins how to navigate danger. And perhaps, it brings joy that only intelligent beings truly understand. As currents shift, some pods begin long migrations across the ocean. For miles and miles, they ride powerful currents, conserving energy as they move toward warmer waters or richer feeding grounds. Along the way, they encounter other pods, strangers from distant seas. Some interactions are peaceful, curious, playful. Others? More tense. Just like humans, dolphins form alliances, compete, and negotiate their place in the ocean's social tapestry. Not all dolphins stay near the playful surface. Species like the Risso's dolphin and pilot whale dive into the abyss where light can never reach. Down here, pressure increases. Silence thickens. Strange creatures drift like living shadows. Dolphins enter this dark world armed with their most brilliant weapon, sound. Their echolocation guides them through the blackness, revealing squid and other deep-sea prey that few predators dare pursue. These journeys push their bodies to astonishing limits, sometimes holding their breath for 15 minutes or more. But life for dolphins is not without danger. Human activity threatens their survival. Plastic pollution tangles their fins. Noise from ships disrupts communication. Fishing nets trap entire pods. And warming oceans shift the very ecosystems they depend on. Yet, hope glimmers on the horizon. Conservation efforts, marine sanctuaries, and responsible ecotourism are helping safeguard their future. And every year, countless volunteers work tirelessly to rescue us. Survival in the ocean isn't just about speed, it's about strategy. Dolphins hunt as a team. They trap fish into tight balls, take turns feeding, and sometimes use mud or bubbles to confuse prey. In some regions, dolphins even cooperate with humans, driving fish toward nets in exchange for an easy meal. This intelligence and cooperation make dolphins some of the ocean's most successful hunters. But even the smartest animals face danger. Dolphins are threatened by pollution, plastic waste, noise, and accidental fishing net entanglements. Still, they adapt. They learn to navigate busier seas, avoid known risks, and shift their feeding grounds when needed. Dolphins remind us that survival isn't just about instinct, it's about learning, memory, and connection. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be the first to see our videos anytime we post.